Preactive and germane. So, pagsamahin na natin yung preactive is another term for contingency. So, sa project management, ina-anticipate mo na yung pwedeng mangyari. Kasi sa project management is preactive, reactive, and yung isa pa na active, pero usually dyan is yung reactive at saka proactive. Yung proactive is diligent ka. Okay, alam na natin yung proactive at saka reactive pero yung preactive, yun yung hindi natin pinapansin kasi we know that by the term contingency. So contingency yung ginagamit natin. But in terms of activity, ayan, preactive ka. Kumbaga may counter ka, may may gagawin ka in case itong mangyari. Kumbaga anticipated mo na yung mangyayari. Kumbaga forecasted mo na. Pag sinabi mo namang germane, ito yung related or pertinent to something. So sa law, may kinalaman ito sa isang kaso na nililitis o sa isang crime na nakumit. Ayan, sa law. Pero sa English is yun yung ginagamit as pertinent or related to something. Kung ayaw mong gumamit ng pertinent at related to, pwede mong gamitin yung germane. So, yun lang po.